Hello viewers, this is your boy Hogostone and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to take you to a road project that is going on in East Legon Hills, right? So currently this is where they are, and there's going to be a runabout just at gate, right? As you can see, that's the runabout that they are constructing. They are constructing at this moment. So they are going to at the runabout here, which is gate, they are going to arrange the pavement blocks, these small pavement blocks, right? The pavement slabs. That's what they are going to do here. So they are not going to do asphalt over here. So that's what they are doing over here, and I'm here to give you guys an update. Most of my subscribers has asked me how far or what is happening here in on the East Legon Hills Gates road project, right? So I'm here to give you guys the update. So I want you to stick to the end of the video and you're going to see what I'm talking about. So come along and let's all go around together to see what is happening. So as you can see, this is what is happening over here. So currently they are arranging the pavement slabs, and this contract was awarded to Jasmine Construction Company. They are the one that is constructing the gates to Lakeside Road, where the cancer hospital is located. They are the ones in charge of that, and they are the one that is constructing that road, which the one I'm working on now is the road that leads to Lakeside, Kokatamanso, and the cancer hospital road. So they are the ones that are in charge, right? So currently this is where they are, and they are the one coming to constructing the gate side. They are the one constructing the gate side. As you can see over here, this is what is happening, and a lot is really happening here.